What's up, y'all? It's Ariel. Welcome back for yet another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to manifest money fast. Before we hop into today's topic, I'd like to invite you to please hit the like button. If you do this, it'll allow YouTube to share this video with more people, so I really appreciate it. Also, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. I try to post daily, so you don't want to miss those. Alright, so manifesting money. This is a very hot topic in the conscious manifestation community. Now, before I get too deep into this, I do want to add that wanting to manifest large amounts of money does not make you materialistic, okay? This is because we obviously live in a society where things cost money, and it would behoove you to have a lot of it, okay? A lot of times to have certain experiences, to go certain places, to live certain places, you need a large amount of money, or at least some money. Now, this doesn't make you bad. This doesn't make you shallow. So just let go of all that garbage that you might hear from people telling you that you're doing something wrong by wanting to manifest being wealthy. Nothing wrong with being prosperous, okay? So first of all, you want to see yourself with money. You want to see yourself with the things that you would have if you had lots of money. For example, maybe you want a certain luxury vehicle. See yourself driving that vehicle. There was a famous scene in the movie The Secret where they talk about seeing both your hands wrapped around the steering wheel of your dream car. This is something that I did specifically, right? My dream car didn't happen to be a luxury car, but it was the car I wanted nonetheless. And I did that. I saw my hands. I was able to, imagine in detail what my hands looked like around the steering wheel. And I felt the feelings of having that car and driving it. Not a week later, I had that vehicle. So it's so powerful to tie in a visual representation with the feeling, right? Another way to manifest money is to literally see in your mind your bank account filled with money. And you convince your brain and body in that moment that it's real. Now remember that you have all feelings, all emotions available to you at any time. And you simply ask yourself, how would I feel if I had this much money? How would I feel if I had that successful business? Or how would I feel if I had this thing, or if I was able to go and have this experience? You feel pretty darn good. Now, if you can bring that feeling into the now and allow yourself to feel that, a bridge of incidents will unfold. And if you don't know what a bridge of incidents is, it's events that will happen in between you imagining and actually getting it. So a bridge of incidents will unfold that you will walk that will allow you to reach that point. It's one of the most amazing things that I've ever experienced, is actually imagining something and then watching all these events step by steps in sequence coming together to bring you what you want. It's amazing, right? Another amazing way to manifest money, very powerful, is to program your subconscious mind while you're sleeping. There are countless YouTube videos that have affirmations that you can play in the background while you're sleeping that will allow you to consciously manifest wealth. And these things aren't jokes, they aren't flukes, they're real. And they're extremely powerful. Because the words that are being said, the affirmations, are seeping into your subconscious. And when you're asleep, your mind is very, very impressionable and very accepting of what it's fed. Way more so than if you were to try to listen to these affirmations during the day. So I would challenge you to do that. Turn on your phone or your computer or your television. It doesn't have to be too loud, and have these affirmations playing in the background. You will be amazed. You will wake up the next morning feeling like you're wealthy. And the feeling is the secret. I will say that the biggest thing that I see that gets in the way of people manifesting money is all the resistance that they have to it, right? Because they believe that money, is not abundant, right? Or they repel money instead of being a money magnet. When you let go of that resistance, when you let go of the, oh my God, I wish I had it, then you allow the money to come to you. You allow it to flow to you. Here's a good tip. Whenever you're imagining, if it starts to feel like a chore, if it starts to feel hard, if it feels like it's too difficult, you need to stop. Because you're not doing it right. Only imagine when you feel good. Just see yourself with money. Become friends with money in your mind. I know it sounds childish. I know it sounds too good to be true. But trust me, it's a law. It's a law. As Reverend Ike says, you can have money, but don't let money have you. As long as you're able to keep that balance of knowing that, hey, money is a tool that you use, but it's not your whole life. It doesn't consume you. Then you'll be fine. Okay? But it's just a feeling, y'all. Everything is energy. Money is no more difficult to get than manifesting a rainbow or manifesting a butterfly. Put yourself there mentally. Put yourself there emotionally, and it must come to you. Whatever you believe is possible is. And you get to choose your belief. So really the sky is the limit. Okay? If you have any questions about manifesting money or any success stories, please share them in the comments. I'll respond back to you. I'll respond back to all of my comments. Thank you so much for listening to this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you stick around on my channel because I post every day, and we're going to manifest together, and we're going to get all our desires. We're going to have a wonderful life. We're going to be happy. We're going to be healthy. And that's what matters. Y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you later. Bye.